Motorola has announced that it will start rolling out the Android Oreo update to the Moto Z and a number of other smartphones from today. The update is coming as Android 8.0 Oreo, and it is being released for a total of 8 different Motorola smartphones. The Android 8.0 Oreo update is coming today to the Moto Z, Moto Z Play, Moto Z2 Play, Moto G5, Moto G5 Plus, Moto G5S, Moto G5S Plus and the Moto G4 Plus. The updates will also bring some performance improvements and bug fixes to the above handsets, and they are coming as over-the-air updates from today.